Hello everyone, this is Anil Kumar. In this video, we will talk about the slowly introduction of the annotations. I think last video what we have discussed is in the Spring.xml we created the bean and we have referred in the client application. And what I am trying to achieve here is I will completely get rid of this particular XML and I will try to introduce the annotation based configuration. Actually, in the real time applications, we use the both mixed configurations like some of the annotations and some of the XML based configurations. But let me write one annotation. How it can be used, we will see. So the annotation that I'm going to introduce is the component annotation. So in order to use that component annotation, what I'm trying to do is I will just comment this complete bean part here. So I'm trying to pull that information using the annotations. Go to the circle class. In the circle class, even because we don't have this constructor, I just commented constructor injection and as well as a setter injection. Let me comment this part as well. I will have only one draw method. Okay. Mm. So in this draw method, what I'm trying to see is Spring Framework will provide a annotation called component. So it is as good as referring as a bean. So if you configure a bean tag in the spring.xml, it is very much similar to the one which we can refer it as a component. So this component annotation also will register this particular circle as a bean to the Spring container, and it will identify this particular circle component, and it can be referred in our client code, application code. But but here we are referring as a id called shape, because in our earlier application what we have referred here is bean id with the shape. But as we are get trading of this particular code, we need to refer this particular circle object to the component. Okay. So by default it would refer it Spring Framework would identify this as a uh, circle object. So in order to invoke this particular application, there is no shape here now. Okay. Yeah, it is a kind of interface. We are just implementing the draw method, but nowhere we have actually done the dependency. It is only with the component tag annotation we are referring. So we need to refer the qualified name as a circle for this component to invoke. So let me run this application, how whether this particular circle bean has been registered or not. If I run this application, oh, okay, I think I got it. So no bean named circle is available. So whenever an error occurs, that you need to identify what is the source of this error, and try to debug the application. It would give you a lot of you will learn from these particular kind of errors. So it is not able to identify in the bean. So we need to register. So previously we used to register using the bean tag. So with the annotations, how we can Spring will provide there is uh, there is a tag called context dot component scan. Actually what it will do is it will refer and it will scan the entire project in our package, and it will identify all the bean components. What is our package name? Com dot java tech dot spring. I think we need to spell it correctly. Spring dependency. Okay. dependency. Okay, this is the package name that it would scan, and it would pick up all the registered beans. If you if you put this line and in the spring.xml, what it will do, it will read the spring.xml, it will scan all the components, it would get all the registered beans, and it will try to print that. Let me run this application whether it will work or not. Now see, it has identified the particular component as a circle, and it has invoked the draw method. So in the next video, what I will do is we will discuss about auto wired annotation. So that is very critical annotation. How auto wire works in the Spring, how we need to configure, we will see in the coming example. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please click on the like button and also do subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.